Hello friends, in today's video we will learn more about planet Neptune. It takes 165 years for Neptune to take one rotation of the Sun. Planet Neptune is regarded as the Lord of the Pisces, the 12th house. Now we will look into some of the speciality of planet Neptune. Attraction, imagination, obsession, meditation, sleep, colors, music, dance, water resources, tanks, bore wells, pearls, cold storage, fruits, fruit juice, tea, coffee, occult, scandals, magic, entertainment, mysterious, vapor, ice, oil, petrol, sugar, honey, fish, aquatic creatures, swimming pools, water supply, narcotics, intoxicants, scents, photos, films, printing, toys, Xerox, acting, paints, mentality, chemical solution, refrigerators, liquor, adulteration, conspiracy, corruption, reflections, mirror, washing machine, magic. Friends, if we need to analyze over all these topics or one of the topics, then we need to analyze the position of planet Neptune in Western astrology. As Vedic astrology do not recognize these effects on one's horoscope, rather it focuses more on the society and the country. Friends, if you like this video, please share it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.